Hey guys, Rich with the Fireplace by Magic Touch here in Mesa, Arizona. Today I'm going to show you a video of a project we just completed that was a vent-free gas fireplace prior that we converted to an electric fireplace. I wanted to share a little bit of the backstory because I realized other people might be in similar situations. The situation was we had a couple in Phoenix that was getting ready to sell their house. Years ago, they had a handyman install a vent-free gas fireplace. He built a half-wall build-out for this fireplace. Unfortunately, what he didn't do right was adhere to the manufacturer's installations instructions, and he didn't get the clearances right. So basically, long story short, the people had been able to use this fireplace about 10 times. The reason they didn't use it more was because the wall right above the fireplace got so hot that they were worried the house would burn down. They're getting ready to sell this house now, and they explain to the realtor what's going on. The realtor says, call this company and have somebody come out and take a look at it. It just so happens the fireplace wouldn't light for them now either at this point. One of our technicians goes out there, and right away the first thing he notices is that the clearances aren't even close to right. This is a high-end vent-free gas fireplace. We're familiar with this model. It's a model that can be used as a see-through, or you can put a backplate on it and use it as single-sided. But basically what this handyman did wrong, well, there were a lot of things, but the major thing was the manufacturer specified a certain amount of clearance above the top of the fireplace to the top of the shelf inside the cavity above the fireplace itself. It was over 2.5 feet short of what it was supposed to be. So basically that heat was getting kind of blocked in there, and that's what was creating the drywall above it, which is in fact a combustible material, to get very hot. So our technician informed our client, you know what, hey, it's a good thing you did call us. This thing is in fact a fire hazard, and we gave them a couple of options. One option was to completely remove it, remove the gas line, and schedule with our drywaller and just drywall over it and call it a day. But their realtor discouraged them from doing that because fireplaces add a lot of value to a home sale, as well as interest from prospective buyers. So second option we gave them was to finish that build out, design it properly, repaint everything, reframe, all that good stuff. But we all agreed that wasn't very cost effective for them. They liked our third option the best, which was, let's pull this thing out of here completely. Let's install an electric fireplace, and you have the choice of either disabling the heat or installing wiring to operate the heating function, which requires us to add a dedicated circuit to it according to the manufacturer's specifications. So we looked at some linear fireplaces as well as traditional fireplaces, and ultimately they landed on the Modern Flames Redstone traditional shaped, and the largest one they make, which is 54 inches wide. The main reason there's two reasons they chose that one. The first one is bang for the buck. It's a lot of fireplace for the cost. They knew they could recoup that and gain more interest from buyers with a nice looking fireplace that was attainable luxury. The second reason was they had this small, not so wide linear fireplace in there before. The placement was bad. It looked kind of funny. It just didn't fit the dimensions, whereas a traditional fireplace really sat better in the frame of the wall. So I created this video. We didn't shoot a video of the install, but we did take a bunch of before and after photos as well as progress photos. So I wanted to show you how it was done. This is an option if you're ever in a position where you're getting ready to sell the house, or you have a fireplace that's either not safe or no longer operable. Replacing a gas or a wood fireplace with an electric fireplace can be a great option. It's cost effective. They're beautiful. It's the fastest growing segment of our business. We work on a lot of fireplaces, gas work, gas logs, zero clearance fireplaces, and fire pits. Far and away, for the last number of years, electric fireplaces have been our number one seller. It's what people want, and there's a lot of different styles to choose from. Check out these before and after pictures we got here. If you're ever interested in a fireplace, a firewall, an electric fireplace, and you're in the Phoenix area, I say give us a call. Give the Fireplace by Magic Touch a call. We have a beautiful design center and showroom in downtown Mesa that's invite only, but we'll give you a private tour of it. We have, I believe, 16 electrics on display, all functional. We may have more now, actually, but all styles, linear, and price ranges, ultra premium, top of the line fireplaces. This one here, if you're interested in the Modern Flames Redstone, I did a complete review on it. It's actually one of our more popular electric fireplace reviews. I'll put the link at the end of the video. Do me a favor and make sure you subscribe and like this page. We appreciate you. All right, everybody. See ya.